Hi everyone, you're with Chandeep Chabra at Goodly, and today I am super excited because yesterday I finished full 365 days of active blogging at goodly.co.in, and today I'm celebrating the first birthday of my blog, for which in the past few days I actually took some time out of my schedule and made a dashboard to talk about it, how it went for me running one site and analyzing the performance of the site in the last full year. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the dashboard and see how it went for me. All right, when you download the dashboard, this is what you get on your screen. And there are a couple of things that I want you to take care before you start working with the dashboard and start seeing the dashboard. The first thing that you will see on the dashboard, which is not there on my screen currently, is a notification. The notification will be right here on the top between the column headers and the formula bar, and where you will see that Excel is asking you to enable some content. That content is nothing but a couple of macros that I've written to get a couple of charts rolling, get a couple of data rolling into my dashboard. So please enable the macros first. That's the first thing that I want you to do. Okay, I'm just going to explain you quickly that how the dashboard looks and what you have in the dashboard. If you take a look on the top bar, this is the header of the dashboard, 1 year of blogging dashboard, and this is the number of days, these many comments that I have on my blog, which is pretty low, I understand. 94 blog posts is what I have written, and we have 793 subscribers till today. Then on the left hand side, this is the overview of the dashboard. These are annual figures that you see on the left hand side. So depending upon what you choose on the right here in the drop down, that label gets highlighted accordingly. So as of now, what I have chosen to see in the chart is the total sessions, and the total sessions on the left hand side also gets highlighted along with the data in the chart. Okay, so on the chart options, what I have is the from and the to date. So you can actually pick up date anytime after 19th of June, on or after 19th of June, and you can pick it up till 18th of June 2015. And then the other thing that is there in the chart options is that you can also pick up any other data point apart from total sessions. So you can pick up, if you want to see, you can pick up the total users, you want to see the total new sessions, you want to see the page views or the bounce rate or any other thing. Let's say for instance I am picking up let's say average new sessions. I click on this and I click on the refresh button so that my chart gets updated. So as soon as I click here, the chart will get updated, and it will talk about that since the beginning of the time, not the beginning of the time, but beginning of the time for my dashboard, how has the new sessions been. So how have the new sessions been, and also the new sessions also get highlighted on the left hand side here. All right, the next thing that I have in the dashboard is you can actually track a particular data point. So let's say for example my current data point is 10th of June, and it specifies that on 10th of June how many visitors did I get, and did I increase or lose visitors over the previous day. So you can actually toggle the scroll bar here, and this dot is actually going to move along, and this data will get changed. So you can actually toggle between the entire timeline, and you can see if this is working fine for you. All right, moving on to the second part of the dashboard, which is a geographic overview. This is the geographic overview of the dashboard, and it talks about that where all has my site been open in India and across the world. Let's just take a look. On the right hand side, we have different chart options. You can pick and choose, and the chart will change. And if you just take a look at this chart, this infographic talks about which are the top 5 cities in the country which open my site the most. So about 5 cities that account for about 84% of the viewership in India only. If you want to change the city and you want to take a look at any other city, so you can actually go in here and you can roll down to any other city for that matter. So let's say I pick up Mumbai, and the active city will change from Delhi to Mumbai, and Mumbai gets highlighted here, and I have different statistics of Mumbai. And you can also pick up different variables for the chart. So as of now, the bubble in the chart represents the sessions. You can actually change it from sessions to any other variable that you'd like to see in the chart. Now this is the map for India. I specifically wanted to talk about India because India is one such country where my site gets opened the most, and I now also want to talk about the other places where my site gets opened. So if I click on this option, it gives me an option to pick up countries as well. So when I click on countries, this is going to change to a world map, and these gray dots actually resemble the places where my site gets opened. So as of now, I have country selected, but no country selected. So I can actually go and pick up any other country. So let's say I pick up United States, which is the second most popular country on my blog. So I have some statistics for United States on the left hand side, which is total number of visitors, bounce rate, and average duration. Similarly, you can also change the variable in the bubble map. So that was my annual dashboard for 1 year of my blogging. I hope you really like the dashboard. Please feel free to put down your comments in the comment section, and I would love to read what you say about the dashboard. I would continue posting some awesome content on the blog, so stay tuned to goodly.co.in, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.